Guys, today we are going to do a performance task in English 10 to improve the skills of students in memorizing, editing, acting, communication skills, gaining knowledges, and renewing confidence. This task had a connection in our topics just like memorized speech, multimodal text such as digital and printed, and critic.
A memorized speech is when a speaker commits an entire speech to a memory. This style may not relate with the audience because the speaker is more focused on remembering the text of the speech rather than communicating with the audience. Example of a memorized speech in our task. There you go. Based on the video shown, you can really say that the actors try to memorize their line in delivering their speech without deepening the relationship with the audience.
Digital multimodal text convey meaning through a combination of written and spoken language, visual, audio, gestural, and spatial mode. Example of a digital multimodal text in our task.
Para saan? Para sirain din ako, ganun.
Based on the scene, there's a lot of genre shown. The acting style of the actors and its visual scenes are properly executed. Print-based multimodal text include comics or pictures, storybooks, posters, infographics, brochure, and visual aids. Example of a print-based multimodal text in our task. Lastly, based on the poster shown, you can see the each detail of the poster, such as its graphic design that serve as a visual aids for the movie.
Evaluates a source. It requires both critical reading and analysis in order to present the strengths and weaknesses of a particular resource for readers. The critic includes your opinion of the work. In this activity, we will use critic to evaluate the works of the other groups to improve their skills and tasks. Now, let's move to our next performance. I know that you guys are much excited and cannot wait to see it, right? What are we waiting for? Without further ado, let's get started. In 3, 2, 1, action!
This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Oh, di ba? Buhay ng dalawa, sinira mo. Para ano? Para sa akin? Para saan? Para sirain din ako? Ganon? Oh, now I get it. Teka lang. Kaya pala may biglang friendly kiss ako from a hot chick at yung nagpa-deliver? Yung may sakit? Oh, wow! You really go this low? To what? Get even? Ano? Sisiraan mo ako dahil marami nang kumakampi sa akin? Dahil nakikita nila kung gaano katigas yung puso mo? My God, Kali! Ang tagal-tagal na nun!
Pero yung matagal na yun, nandito pa din!
That was just one mistake. Isa lang.
Kaisa, dalawa, tatlo, pareho lang yun. Sumausaw ka pa din sa iba.
Lasing ako nun.
Lintik na palusot yun. Kahit lasing ka, alam mo ginagawa mo.
Kaya nga nagsorry ako sa'yo nun, di ba? Kasi kahit anong sabihin ko, I was wrong. Nagkamali ako. Nasaktan kita.
Nasaktan. Kayong mga lalaki. Akala niyo pag namambahay kayo, nasasaktan niyo lang kami. Makikipanlapungan kayo kasi ini-expect nyo. Iiyak lang kami. Itutulog yun sakit tapos pagising okay na. Yun ang pangarap namin. Sana nga ganun na lang kadali yun. Kaso hindi. Walang tigil ang takbo ng utak namin. Pinipilit sagutin ng maraming tanong. Bakit niya kaya nagawa yun? Am I not enough? May kulang ba sa akin? Pangit ba ako? Pangit ba ang katawan ko? Kapalit-palit ba ako?
No.
Then why? Bakit mo ako nagawang lokohin? Alam mo kung gaano kahirap para sa akin na magtiwala, Gio. But yet I trusted you. Because you promised.
It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the
Kaya kung hindi mo ko sasaktan.
in me. It changes
Para mo na din ako pinatay ng Gio.
You actually think that?
Naisip ko yun. Sabihin ko sa'yo, makikinig ka lang. Makinig ka naman minsan.
Dina, I'm tired of listening to that guy. Always complaining how incompetent I am.
Di naman niya sinabi.
Anong hindi? Basha, let me refresh your memory ah. Your work is substandard. I did not pay you to give me mediocre work. And the worst part is ikaw.
Ano?
Yes, you are the worst part. Hinayaan mo sultuin ako ang gunggong na yun.
Ano gusto mo gawin ko? Ginaya ko yung tao para wala tayong kliyente. Nag-iisa natin kliyente. May I just remind you.
So, kasalanan ko pa na iisa lang kliyente natin.
Hindi ka sinabi yan, Popoy. Sinabi ko ba yun?
Di mo nga sinabi, pero nakasulat sa mukha mo.
Lahat na lang. Oh, eto. Ano to? Andito pa rin to? Ako na lang lahat gagawa dito sa bahay?
Sorry nakalimutan eh.
Hindi eh.
Di pa naman deadline yan, akin na.
Hindi, ako na lang makakalimutan mo na naman.
Puti ko, sige, ikaw na! Ikaw na! Ikaw na lang lahat! Ikaw na lang ulit, sige!
Ano? Ano gusto mo sabihin? Ano gusto mo gawin? Ano?
Basha, di na ako sigurado kung tama pa bang nagkabalikan tayo.
You would always ask me those words I say, and telling me what it means to me. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love I give, for you still hold the key. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you.
We're starting over again. This time we'll love all the pain away.
Alam mo, umalis ka na. Wala tayong pag-uusapan.
Tama si Beb. Wala ka talagang planong ituloy itong project na to. Kaya mo lang tinanggap to para gantihan ako.
Saan naman galing yan?
Either that, o gusto mo naman talaga itong planong to, pero ayaw mo lang aminin na kasama ako sa bubuo ng planong yon. O baka naman kaya ayaw mo nga aminin dahil hanggang ngayon ako pa rin yung gusto mo.
Wow, really?
Eh bakit nga? Sabihin mo sa akin ba't hindi mo nagustuhan? I deserve an explanation.
Ano? Anong sinabi mo?
I need an acceptable reason.
Bakit?
Dahil trinabaho ko yun, pinaghirapan ko yun. I invested my time and my effort.
Kaya gusto mong malaman kung anong mali?
Oo! Dahil kung may problema, gagawin ko ng paraan.
Dahil di lang oras at pagod ang pinuhunan mo, di ba? Pati puso't kaluluwa mo, di ba? Dahil ginawa mo yun, para sa isang tao iniisip mo na may tiwala at paniniwala sa'yo. Di ba? Na kung magkamali ka man, bibigyan ka niya ng pagkakataon na itama yun. Kasi pinaniwala ka niyang mahal ka niya. Na mahalaga ka sa kanya. Naiisa ang pangarap niyo. Na pareho kayo na tinatanaw na buhay. Di ba? Kailangan mong malaman kung bakit isang umaga pagising mo biglang nagbago ang lahat. Bakit wala na siya? Bakit mag-isa ka na lang? Kailangan mo ng dahilan, di ba? Kailangan mo ng mapanghawakan kung bakit kailangan mo tiisin na magmukha kang tanga. Magmukha kang tayo sa paningin ng tao. Sa paningin sa sarili mo. Kasi hindi mo alam kung paano eh. Hindi mo alam kung kailan. Hindi mo alam kung anong nangyari. Kung anong mali sa'yo. Ba't ka niya iniwan?
Marco.
Anong karapatan mong hingin ng isang bagay na ipinag-ibig?
Marco.
I deserve an explanation. I deserve an acceptable reason.
Marco, I'm sorry.
O bakit nga? Ba't di mo sinabi sa akin yung totoo?
Takot kasi ako.
And you expect me to believe that? Sa tapang mong yan?
Hindi kita gustong saktan, Marco.
I almost died. And every day I wish I did. Tell me!
I was beginning to see my father in you. Talunan. Mababa yung pangarap. Marco, paano ko sasabihin sa'yo yun? Na unti-unti nang nawawala yung paghanga ko sa'yo. Yung respeto ko. Natakot ako maging katulad na tayong mga nanay at tatay ko.
Kahit masakit, dapat sinabi mo. Kasi alam mo kung namatay sa akin, Jeannie. Trust. Hindi ko na kaya magtiwala sa'yo ulit.
Marco, sandali!
They say that you know you're in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams. I couldn't agree more because having you is the living proof of it.
And meeting you is the highlights of my life.
Sabi nila, palang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikupli. Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang takot kong sakali man ika'y mawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di basahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako.
I oras ay nahanap ko na rin ang aking tanging hinihiling. Pangako sa'yo na ika'y uunahin at hindi na itatanggi ang tadhanang nahanap ko sa iyong pagmamahal, ang dudulot sa pag-ibig natin na magtatagal.
Titig!
Kailangan... Para sa isang taong iniisip mo na may tiwala at manin. Nabubulol mo ako. Kahit masakit, tungkol sinabi mo. Kailangan mo ng... Ay! Ay! Magbukangan tayo sa paningin ng tao.
Magdaw ko sa mukha ko.
Hey!
Ay! Hindi ako na yung mga... Ay! Get rest, bro. Sige, bye-bye.
Hindi ako
There I was again tonight, forcing laughter, faking smiles. Same old tired, lonely place. Walls of insincerity, shifting eyes and vacancy. Vanished when I saw your face. All I can say is it was enchanting to meet you. Your eyes whispered, have we met? Across the room, your silhouette starts to make its way to me. The playful conversation starts, counter all your quick remarks like passing notes in secrecy. And it was enchanting to meet you. All I can say is I was enchanted to meet you. Hiding us so they don't see this part of me. Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend we don't cry. Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend we don't cry. Tell me that you keep me safe and never let this fade away. Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend that we don't cry. Lost in the city, both days I ran right through all my options. Can't seem to keep my eyes bulging, got tissues in my pockets. I'm sensitive, probably wanna duck when I thought was it. Been through some shit, with my heart on my sleeve, so it's hard to miss. Tell me that you keep me safe and never let this fade away. I'm hiding out so they don't see this part of me. Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend we don't cry. Ikaw ang kumpas pag naliligaw. Ikaw ang kulay sa langit na bukaw. Sa bawat bagyo na dumadayo.
Thank you for watching.